Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a cabin air filter. First, open your glove box on the passenger side and remove all contents. Next, gently press inward on the sides of the glove box to release the retaining tabs. This allows the glove box to swing down further, giving you access to the filter housing. It's a simple first step to improving your vehicle's air quality. Once the glove box is down, you'll see the cabin air filter housing. It's usually a rectangular cover. Depending on your model, you might need to unclip it or remove a few small screws. With the cover off, you can now gently slide out the old filter. Notice how much debris and dirt it has collected. This shows why regular replacement is so important for clean air. Now for the new filter. Before inserting it, pay close attention to the airflow arrow printed on its side. This arrow must point in the correct direction, usually towards the rear of the vehicle, to ensure proper air circulation. Slide the new filter into the housing, making sure it fits snugly. Then, reattach the housing cover, securing any clips or screws you removed earlier. With the new filter in, simply push the glove box back up until the side tabs click into place, securing it. Turn on your vehicle's fan to ensure everything is working correctly and you feel improved airflow. Replacing your cabin air filter regularly, typically every 15,000 to 25,000 miles, helps maintain a healthy environment inside your car. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.